Yeah.
Why is that bright?
I don't know why it's doing that. Hold on.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's
Hello, this is Density Young Girl 007.
Where's your Bonnie?
Today we're going boxing.
This Five Nights at Freddys Vinyl figure. Something like that.
And then
Oh, she has Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And then the keychain Five Nights at Freddys.
and then the flashlight. I hope I get
Wait, that's a flashlight?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I hope I get Freddy and you get Foxy.
No, I want Freddy.
The reason why
And she has scissors.
the reason why I want Freddy's because I can give you the Freddy.
She wants to give you the Freddy if she gets the Freddy.
Oh.
Okay, so let's go.
Let's
I'm
go.
gonna start with this.
Okay. Oh, your scissors. Huh? Oh.
What do I get? What do I get? Public Freddy.
Got popped out.
Public Freddy all on.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yes, it was Freddy.
Wait!
It was Freddy.
This feels like a bear. This probably is Freddy.
It's Golden Freddy.
It's Freddy. No! Wait, yo, it is a Freddy.
Isn't the Golden Freddy? Isn't that what you wanted?
Not
No.
Golden Freddy, but Freddy. I was right with the bear.
Aw.
Ah, sit right there.
I got a bad guy, guys. I got a bad guy.
What is
Oh, it's the Foot Clan dude.
Clan? Oh no!
I like that one.
Chickens. This
Oh my
one.
god. I need scissors. I can't open it.
Either.
Oh my god, why are they so big? Okay. I got another chica!
Aw.
Oh my god.
Same one you have?
Yes.
Let me see.
Even though it's so cute, I already have one though. Which one do you have?
Normal Bonnie now.
Oh, now you got Bonnie, huh?
I got normal Bonnie
Wait, no.
now.
No?
I got toy Bonnie, normal Bonnie. 'Cause this.
Oh, that's true. But I have Chica.
Oh, man.
And she has Chica as well.
Well, then we are going to have to
I might
find
trade
somebody who doesn't.
it. I
Oh.
might just give this to Rolo then.
Who's that?
A friend.
Oh,
It's not a boy, it's a girl.
I didn't say nothing.
You have that weird you have that weird look on your face, so.
I don't have a face.
Alright, I hope I get Donnie.
I hope I get the silver girl or the crying child.
So guys, don't skeleton. Oh my god.
I hope I get endoskeleton
Ow.
or crying child or.
Stop putting your scissors right there.
I hope
Oh, there's April on this too.
Yeah,
Those
I
are
know.
cool.
I wish I got in Mike.
Did I? Oh, I got Splinter.
You did? Aw.
Oh, because I want Splinter.
He's so cute.
I got a bad guy.
Well, they can fight each other now.
There you go. Last toy.
Are they squishy?
Kind of.
Kind of squishy.
They're not squishy at all.
Kind of.
Are they soft?
Foxy.
Isn't that what you wished for?
Yeah.
Oh my
You
god.
can't really. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Oh, wait, I thought you already have these.
She had one, but we lost it.
Here you go. Take your Freddy and I'll take. Wait, where's Freddy?
Right here.
Yay.
Okay, what'd you get? What does it feel like?
Oh my god, that's creepy.
One ear? Springtrap?
Oh, it must be Chica.
Chica doesn't have ears.
Wait, no, it's not Chica. I don't know who it is. I think it's the crying child, and I'm feeling its arm.
That child doesn't have ears either.
No,
Well, might
no, I
not-
think I'm feeling the crying child's arm.
They all have the same ones, you know.
We'll
Or
see.
Maybe. I was definitely feeling hot, but I don't think so.
You're definitely feeling a hat, but you don't think so?
What is it?
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Oh my gosh!
Really want the cupcake.
It's cute. Wait, hold on.
Yay!
Cupcake only.
This is what cupcake looks like.
It's so adorable.
Okay, so the rarest one's Toy Chica. She has Toy Chica. Crying Child and the Endoskeleton. The ones are not royal. I mean, whatever the word is. Freddy, Chica, Bonnie, Foxy, Toy Bonnie, or Bon Bon. Cupcake, what she has. Balloon Boy, what she has. Freddy was what I have. Yeah, what is I have. Toy Freddy. Do you have Puppet?
Yeah.
I have She has Puppet and I have Springtrap.
All right.
Oh,
Boy.
okay, let me show you what all of these look
God.
like for mine.
You know they can see from this thing.
Yeah, I know. I just want to show them for closely. He looks really weird, you guys. Super
The
weird.
Foot Clan guy.
The Foot Clan.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
There's cool Foxy. Flash.
I think Splinter Stick's broken.
Shine it on here.
It's jump scaring you guys.
He's broken?
What?
He's broken?
I think a stick is. Because it's straight.
Ow.
Straight.
Okay, so let me show you guys from really closely Rosalind's Golden Freddy.
No! Stop it!
Okay, say goodbye before you ruin the video.
Bye!